In the measure phase of the Lean Six Sigma process, we make a detailed process map to visually represent every step of a process from start to finish. It helps you understand how things are currently done and identify areas where improvements can be made. Let's understand the detailed process map with an example. Imagine you are baking a cake. A detailed process map is like writing down every single step from start to finish. First step is gather ingredients. Here we will write down each ingredient we need, like flour, eggs, sugar, etc. Second step is preheat oven. We will write down the temperature and time needed to preheat the oven. Third step is prepare batter. Here we will write every step of making the batter, like mixing flour and sugar, adding eggs, etc. Similarly, the fourth step is grease cake pan. Fifth step is pour batter into the pan, where we will describe the action of pouring the batter into the prepared cake pan. Sixth step is bake cake. Seventh step is cool cake. Now, each of these steps is crucial to making a successful cake. Similarly, in a business setting, a detailed process map would list out every step of a process, like processing orders or handling customer complaints, so you can see the whole picture and find ways to improve it. So, this is all about the detailed process map which we use in the Lean Six Sigma process. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.